We are. Been on the road for almost 12 hours right now, and it is, what time is it?
It is 6:58. Yeah.
7 o'clock on September 25th, 2024.
Yep.
We are just east of Tallahassee, Florida, on the I-10, heading that way towards Hurricane Helene.
We're 27 minutes from the hotel. We're just going to kind of check into the room, and then we're going to go eat, and then meet up with Mark, and then
we'll see how tomorrow plays out.
Yeah, we're seeing a little bit of vehicles, like maybe not evacuation, but like the tree people and the electricity people out on the other side of the I-10. But yeah, right now the intensity guidance is pretty steep for Helene. High-end Cat-3, maybe low-end Cat-4, but as with anything, that could be legit or it could not be. We'll find out tomorrow, but
this is what it looks like on the other side. It's really, I was expecting to see more evacuation traffic, but it's not a whole lot.
Nothing, no.
I'm making the sound
this
that love
clown
bugs.
with me.
I'm making the sound love bugs
got
do when you hit them.
That
with the car.
clown. Where are we? Monticello, Florida.
Monticello, Florida.
Also known as
Deciding whether we should go back.
Dumpwater, Florida.
I
called it Monticello, and the guy was like,
The
Monticello.
air here is completely stifling. It is
still
no air movement, humid as hell. We're at a freaking car wash, but we're not going to stay here because there's nothing to film here.
except for the Hornets.
So we're probably going to just, I don't know, mosey back to Tallahassee or something. Lots of wasp nests in here too.
What it is it's coming from this way.
Put this out in the open.
Change of scene. We are now in Perry, Florida, and we are in the middle of the eye of Hurricane Helene. Pressure is about 948. It's about 11:30 p.m. Fortunately, no stars. Can't really see anything else up there. Obviously, no power here. So yeah, it was pretty intense.
I guess he wants to help, but
Not something you normally see. We are driving westbound on the eastbound lanes here on Highway 19 in Florida Panhandle because there's like trees down and literally every few feet along the other side of the highway here.
it's unbelievable.
There's a bunch of us doing this, so it's safety in numbers, but you can kind of see all the trees down over there on the other side.